Celebration over Pratima Bhomik's elevation to Union Council of Ministers leads to attack on two CPIM party offices in Dhanpur. The swearing-in of Tripura West MP Pratima Bhomik as Minister of State in the Union Council of Ministers yesterday in the evening has caused widespread celebration in the state on the ground that Pratima is the first person of the soil to have been elevated to the Council of Ministers from Tripura. But the joy of celebration was marred by attacks on two CPIM party offices in Dhanpur Assembly constituency in the Shonamura subdivision. As the swearing-in was live on TV channels, the unruly supporters owing allegiance to the BJP were indulging in indiscriminate fireworks near Pratima's house in Bashpukur area of Dhanpur. But as soon as the swearing-in was over, the unruly BJP supporters took out processions with loud slogans carrying flags and festoons. Within a short period of time, the BJP miscreants targeted the opposition CPIM party office in Baranarayan area and totally vandalized it by breaking furniture and destroying papers, flags and festoons. Simultaneously, another group of BJP miscreants set ablaze the CPIM party office in Dhanpur. The Dhanpur party office had to be closed down within days of BJP coming to power in 2018, while the Baranarayan office had recently been reopened after a long time of closure. All furniture and papers in the two offices were totally destroyed. Condemning the twin attacks of the CPIM State Secretariat in a statement said that the constitutional right of people to freedom of expression, rule of law and legal rights of people are being held hostage by the fascist rule of BJP and gunnery and thuggery of its unruly workers and supporters. The statement called upon the common people to rise in protest against the misrule of BJP and its tyranny in Tripura. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.